Welcome student in my maths step-by-step classes. In today's class we will do cost price and selling price. Yesterday we have started cost price and selling price. So today we will do some questions about them. Today we will do finding profit. So how do we find profit if cost price and selling price is given to us? So formula we have done: selling price, profit when we get profit when selling price is greater than cost price. So for getting profit we will subtract selling price, cost price from selling price. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So question I have taken here, cost price is given to you 535 rupees 535 and selling price is 700, right? So we have to find profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So we will write rupees 700 minus rupees 535. So that is rupees 165. This is the answer, right? In second question, cost price is given to you 3536 and selling price is given 5275. Again we will use same formula for every time. Profit equal to SP minus CP, that is selling price minus cost price. 5275 minus 3536, that is equal to 1739, right? So this is the profit for cost price at cost price. Now next question I have taken here, that is, you can see, okay, right. So question is, Mr. Raj bought a scooter of rupees 7,312 and sold it at rupees 7,654. Find loss or profit he made. So see, first read the question properly. Question is, Mr. Raj bought a scooter for rupees 7,312 and sold it for 7,654. So first we will compare the selling price and cost price. In this question selling price is greater than cost price, so that means it is profit. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price, that means 7,654 minus rupees 7,312. So I have done subtraction for you and answer is rupees 342. And this all working you have to do yourself, then you can be able to attempt the question in exam. Okay, so read the question again and again, see the solution, and after this do the solution 5 times. Next question is, Hari bought eggs for rupees 130 a dozen. See, read the question properly. Hari bought eggs for rupees 130 a dozen. He sold it for rupees 20 each. What was his profit? Right? So here cost price of a dozen eggs equal to rupees 130, and you know 1 dozen equal to 12. So SP of, yani selling price of a dozen eggs at rupees 20 each equal to 12 into 20, that is 240. So here first we have to find selling price, then we can compare these two, selling price and cost price, because here only we know cost price and selling price we have to find first, and we have to keep that in mind, that dozen, that means 12. Okay, then profit equal to selling price minus cost price, and we will subtract 240 minus 130, answer will come 110, right? So this is the way how you will do this question. This question is important, and this question needs attentive reading, and after attentive reading you have to change dozen into 12 and then multiply. So all steps are important. Do this question yourself so that you can attempt such questions in your exam. So keep practicing, keep learning, and have a very good day. See you next class.